you haven't looked. I'm your son.
Hey, who wants to kill Shadow Boss with me?
They actually do look the same.
Hey, you're red. You want to kill
Hey,
Shadow
Hey, let's have an intro.
You're red.
Dad,
Oh, wait a
what's
minute, I don't
Shadow
have an
Boss?
intro.
Hey, red. Hey, you like my Daredevil batons?
Shadow Boss
You like my
is
Daredevil
Yeah.
batons?
that is
Oh,
giant
wait,
and
hold on.
it
Can you
is
actually, like, reach long ranges
longer.
with it, too?
Well, Papa, I
You
can
wanna
just
see?
defeat him with one
Yeah.
punch. See, look. Look at this, Dad.
That is a moon rock.
I know. If I just keep grabbing more hammers, I'll be the winner.
Okay,
I
so
need
that
a modern
turns-
server, guys. So where's the Shadow Boss at?
right here.
In mine? Really?
Basically the digging area of mines. Yeah.
The Shadow Boss in
Oh,
mine?
good.
Oh yeah, it is in mine.
I just swing way far
Hey,
ahead.
Papa. I remember this place. Me and my friends used to get in here, and one of my friends got lost.
It was, now we
In here.
beat.
Or he probably went
Goodbye.
somewhere else.
You're red. Yes,
What's more?
Why is there a hole? Wait!
I'm
Maybe my friend
training
was
to
trying
where I
to dig out
can
and...
steer really good.
He didn't
I'm
make it.
really real in the dark like Daredevil.
Oh!
I'm already fighting.
I'm low-key turning into the real Daredevil.
Yeah. Time to go mining in a random hole.
A crab! I'm scared of crabs.
Listen, I won't pinch you. You think I would pinch you, and I'm not.
I'm his son. That's my dad.
I,
Ow!
I'm gonna call you Torno for no
My eye
reason.
hurts.
I'm gonna call you
My eye hurts.
Let's go mine from this rabbit hole.
Wee, let's go down here. I'm sorry.
Ow.
wait, someone did the glitch. Someone did a no-clip glitch. Guys, I think a path was made. Yep, it was made. I remember seeing like one moderator last time I went to beat the mob boss. It's been quite a while. Wow.
Papa, help me!
Dude, I wish I brought a
Nice.
saddle. I wish I brought a saddle so I can like carry.
Yeah, that's true. Saddles honestly seem pretty cool until teleport, because they kinda got the saddle.
You're red. I already.
Wait, why are you leaving?
Sorry.
You're good.
I'm here to save you!
I'm not. Gang.
No, I'm just gonna come back.
I hope it's really cool. Like it's silver than modern instead of modern. Okay, so it's time to make a free.
Let's go again.
Dee, dee.
I got a saddle.
Well, hop on. You gassed out. All right, hop. Drop it. Drop it.
Hey,
Drop it.
yeah. I'm on.
All right, you're about to have a ride with a blind person. Do this.
One of my favorite things about hookshot.
Did you solve a newborn?
Huh.
Dang, they really already beat it.
Hello? Is someone in here?
Wait, where's the mom?
Hey, guess we gotta go help him, right?
There's no
I
mom.
don't know. Papa, help me find this. Papa, help me find how to get out of here.
Hey, you okay up there?
I'm scared, Papa.
Hey, you okay, Greg?
And I want to
Yeah, I'm
leave
okay.
this place.
All right.
Papa, help!
Hi, Blue Mr. Crab.
Hey,
I think
do
we
you
have
know
to
who
get
Daredevil?
Okay, bad idea, made it.
Hey, do you know who Daredevil is? Character?
I will be
Okay,
your
I seen him
grandpa.
at the other
I will be
night.
your grandpa.
Why are there so many? Kevin.
Oh, what you say, Red?
Yeah, I'm still there.
Yeah, what do you
Where
say?
are
How
you?
long is it? How long is this tree?
The peck.
I don't know. I think it's.
Hey,
Hello?
What is down here? See, I need
It was the crab.
It is a hole,
The purple
son.
crab down there
It
is
is a
actually
hole,
on the right
grandson.
track. It looks like they're actually
What's in here? We
close to an exit.
We made it!
Not with the
Put the
Daredevil
banana
insane, but the
into the
Daredevil game.
banana thing. Wait, guys, follow me!
Not with the
Guys,
Daredevil.
follow me! I gotta show you something! Look what I found!
Wait.
Come
Nice.
over here! Pull these levers!
Wait.
Go here to the levers! Papa,
Look.
don't put the banana in!
It's a
There's a
peaceful
lever over
world.
there.
Papa, where are
Let's-
you?
He read it's
Papa, come over here! Someone needs to do this, please! Someone needs to do these! Come on, guys!
It's a peaceful world.
Grandpa, help me!
Follow me! We have to do it here!
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We need to do it in sync. We need to pull both levers in sync. 1, 2, 3. Yo, we need one person over here in sync. We need 2 people to go in sync pulling these levers.
It's opened!
It's open. We did it.
Son!
Yellow, you good?
Grandson! No! No!
Anyways, I think I should try to hold off the mimics. They're gonna start camping the area.
I've been in here before. There's nothing in here.
Oh wow, the
Oh, I look
mimics
blue.
actually did start spawning.
What could possibly go wrong?
I mean, the only thing in there is a tape, but yeah, otherwise. Take the calamity.
Yeah!
The mimics aren't
Yeah,
coming
sure.
anymore! Alright guys, mine down here! Help! Help! Why are you doing this? Alright, do you think?
Sorry.
I remember when pennies were invented.
Wait. Are we going to the moon?
Follow the line! Follow the
Yeah,
line, guys.
nowadays, yes.
Today, we're going to steal the whole.
Not yet. We gotta do a few puzzles.
Yeah, but the only way to die is through the laser.
I can help you around.
Let's nail it.
I just tried this one. Well. I mean, the laser, the big laser after it does heavy damage. If we get hit by 3 times, we die. But if you're super weak, you will get one-shotted.
Where's
my son? Oh, son, there you are. Follow me, son.
We made it, y'all. We made it.
We're in space.
World's up and down is a his one too. We did it. We made it.
Yep. 2 adventures.
Try making them.
Listen, your son died by...
Anyone still need this tape?
No one needs the tape.
Wait!
All right, let's go.
I want
son.
it! I want it.
Okay, here. Whee! Whee!
Station, and a pool is here.
Oh shoot. Guys? Guys?
I mean, 30 feet.
Ah!
He's not joking. Fire team! Fire team, where are you, please?
After I got swept down, I went down the ramp and fell into the UFO gravity.
We found it. Now let's go. Come on, guys. And son. Huh. Seems like this place is run down.
A little bit.
I found the exit.
If you hear a scream, do not talk or move. He will not hurt you if you don't talk or move.
Okay, we just have to be super quiet. Oh, hey, Clash.
The alien's not here yet. Because I knew the alien in 94. The alien is very dangerous. It is kind of like giant...
I've only juked it once, but it was by bitter luck.
He may look creepy, but if you underestimate him, he will kill you and eat you.
Nah, bro.
Or
I don't
distract
know
you to
how
death.
this was possible, but I juked him twice. But that was pure luck. I don't think I'm juking him again.
What's wrong with your arm?
Oh, this is kind of just part of my skin. Oh,
Yeah, he glitched, guys. He glitched, son.
true.
He got them glitched mimic effect.
Yeah.
No, he's gonna turn into a mimic.
Well, I'm not. Y'all would know if I would have been possessed if I had.
Son? Oh, still here.
Look at this.
There is Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong likes playing in these places like this.
What's this?
So if we are careful, then we will not get killed. Oh no, he's here. Don't move or talk. He got abducted out. Don't move or talk. The alien invasion is happening.
I think you're in here.
Son!
It's me, Goofy No.
Hey, open the door! Huh. Guys, this is a dead end.
Scared me badly. Also, this isn't the right way.
Don't move!
Guys, where are you?
Oh god, he's coming for me! Son! No!
Revive me! Revive me! I died! Inventor failed.
I'll help.
Revive!
Wait, where's the other one?
I need to.
Ow, my hand! Bro? Nah, bro got completely kidnapped, bro.
Hey, let me out! Oh. I went there before with my friend Fluffy. Wait,
Hold on.
do you,
Hold on, give
do
me
you
a
hear?
minute. Oh. Nah. My portable charger
Oh.
died. I have a limit time before I leave the game.
But I'm gonna leave too. I'm gonna
Hey.
play.
You there?
Go to UFO! Guys, bye.
No, no, no.
Run.